Hey y'all, hey, so I'm back with another video, and this time I am using a new device that I got from Amazon. I've been kind of just figuring out different ways that I can try to improve my channel, and I stumbled across this device, and I must say that I like it. So y'all let me know if you like to watch me do hair at this angle or the other way. Now, this is how the device looks. It sits around your neck, and it has a magnet that your phone stays onto. It does not fall. Now, if you don't have a iPhone 15 or well, I guess 15 is the last one, the magnet, it will kind of fall, but there is cases that you can buy that that it will allow the phone to stay on without falling off. So y'all let me know if you like this angle or if you like the regular way. So anyway, I am doing one of my signature looks and she is getting curls and waves. I did take a class this weekend, an online class, so I'm kind of excited to elevate my signature style, just make it a little bit more. So when my clients come in this week, I will be using what I learned on them, and I'm excited. I haven't been posting that much because I don't know, y'all, life just be lifing, but I have been very active on TikTok, so y'all make sure y'all follow me over there. Same name, The Master Stylist. I'm always posting things that I find on TikTok Shop, or my dog, or just hair, all kind of stuff. My TikTok is not niche down, so you never know what you're gonna get from me on whatever day.
Me twice. TBMS.
But in other news, I'm almost to 200K subscribers on here. So if you are not subscribed, please be sure to do so, and go ahead and like this video while you're at it. It lets the algorithm know that you like this content and this is something that you want to see, because for some reason people that are subscribed and do have the bell notification on, YouTube is not notifying them of my video. So even if you are subscribed, unsubscribe and resubscribe. Let's see if that works, because your girl got to get back to, the way things used to be. Y'all let me know also, like, what else you want to see on here. I have been enjoying doing like try on videos and try on hauls, and I'm very much into skincare, so I have been dabbling in that on TikTok as well. So y'all let me know if y'all want to see that content over here or what, because I don't know, I feel like y'all getting bored with me or I don't know. Y'all let me know. Your girl is just trying to figure this thing out. And as always, I'm using Main Life Collection products, Main Mint Foam. You can get that at mainlifestudio.com. I will have a link in the description box as well to take you directly to grab you some of that. And yeah, right now I'm just going to go ahead and start framing the face. Take your time. It's no need to rush. Sometimes I have to comb it out and start back over. Whatever you need to do to get the look that you want to give, do that. Take your time. Your clients will appreciate it. And even if this is something that you're doing on your own head, just take your time. So now I am using Main Glaze, and I'm just gonna put that over her hair. Now Main Glaze is a heat protectant. It's also a shine, so you're getting a 2-in-1, and I use this on everybody before I curl their hair. Now some people I will use oil instead of the glaze. It just depends on the texture, but definitely for hair like this that's very fine and it's low density, I would not use the oil because it would just make it look heavier and like flat. And so she already has fine hair. We don't want to do that, so I'm going to use the glaze for her. Also, this flat iron is a flat iron from Amazon. I will have that link in the description box below. I have been like testing out and just using different flat irons for different purposes. Y'all know I will always use my 3/10 Main Life Collection flat iron, although those are out of stock and won't be restocking. We are working on something else for the future, but for now I will always recommend you guys what I'm using. So if you already follow me on Amazon, it's under my list as under hot tools. If not, I'll have a direct link in the description box for you to go ahead and check that out.
Team DMS.
Okay, secret weapon, our main filler. I have been selling this main filler for a very long time. I don't really promote it like I should, but I do use it, and I'm just taking it and putting it on her scalp, not the hair, and just filling in those sparse areas so that her hair can look fuller, and it does last. It will stay in the hair until she shampoos it out, so you don't have to worry about it coming out or being on your pillow or anything like that. It's magnetic, so it has a magnetic attraction to hair, so it sticks to the hair fibers. If you can see, I'm literally just lifting that hair up and sprinkling some of that main filler right onto her scalp. I'm just going to spray her down with some of that Kenra holding spray. This is the Kenra 25. I like to use the 25 or the 26. This is the finished look. If you guys like this video or the way that I recorded this video, please let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys again for the next video.